and welcome to Let's Cook It. Today Let's Cook It going to travel to Vietnam, which is from the living room to the Let's Cook It kitchen, and we're gonna make you a Vietnamese spring roll, soft spring roll. Pretty much it's like a sushi, but it's a Vietnamese version. So what do I have here? I have the rice paper, and I have the rice noodle, which is vermicelli. And the first thing we're gonna start, I'm gonna boil the noodle first to cool it down, and then we'll do the other things here. Dump it in, and it takes about like 3 to 4 minutes. Here you go. It's been for 3 minutes boiling, and that's all what you need. You don't want to overboil it. So turn off, and I have here, I like to use this one all the time. It's an ice bath. So instead of running it under a cold water, I have an ice bath here. Perfect. Leave it a couple of minutes here in the ice bath to cool down. Now before we start rolling, make sure you're gonna prepare everything's ready around you. So what I'm gonna do here, I have the vegetable I'm gonna slice and chop, and the shrimp I'm gonna slice. Have it already on the plate, and then we start rolling. So let me start here. I have some fresh coriander. I have some chives here. We're gonna prepare everything on the plate here first. What I have here, I have the chocolate mint. Yes, usually people, they use regular mint, but I'm using a chocolate mint, and that's how it looks like. This is from my garden. So we have the chocolate mint here, and I have some peas sprout. It's a snow peas sprout, which is, I find, better than the lettuce because it has little flavor in it. And now let's chop our things here. I have the cucumber. So we're gonna slice them thin. And next I have some red pepper, thinly sliced as well. Put them here on the side. And I have a sliced carrot, which is, I use the peeler to slice them. And I slice them very thin, so it will be easy to chew on it. Here you go, and thinly sliced as well. Now let me remove the pasta, the rice noodle from the water here. They're nice and cold, good to go. Here you go. Move this on the side a little bit here. Now I want to show you for the shrimp. The shrimp, we're gonna slice it in half all the way. So we're gonna put it in the rice roll. Voila. Slice, split, good to go. The water, I'm gonna use the water from the rice noodle I boiled here. I'm gonna fill up. It's nice and warm, and that's what you need for the rice paper. Now we'll grab one rice paper, and you dip it in the water, turn it, and don't leave it too long, because all what you need, just enough to be able to fold it without breaking. And it's ready to go. You put it here. Now the first thing, I'm gonna put the pea sprout. And you can put pork. I have some chicken, so might as well to use the chicken here. And some carrot, cucumber, cilantro, couple of pieces, and the chocolate mint right here. And then the shrimp, make sure the pink color to the bottom, and we're gonna use 3 of them. You can use 3, you can use 4, and let me use 4. Here you go. And we need, this is the rice noodle we boiled right here. You can put as much as you want. It all depends on the taste you have. Now we're gonna do one roll, fold both sides. It's exactly like you're rolling tortilla bread or pita bread. And a little tighter. Voila, this is your Vietnamese spring roll. That's how it's gonna look like. Let's do another one. Put this on the side. So we have the veggie roll here. Now we're gonna make the dipping sauce. And the dipping sauce, it's super easy. We're making peanut butter and hoisin sauce, minced garlic, sesame oil, and let's mix it up a little bit. Looking nice. That's how it looks. Beautiful. Now it's good to go for dipping. Some crushed peanuts you can add to it as well if you want. And let's give a try here. Yum, that's how it looks like inside. Beautiful. Wow, it is the taste of Vietnam. I can eat this every day, no problem. So Vietnamese spring roll, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.